Thanks for choosing Civil Site Design from Present Trade. Let's quickly set up your network license. Step 1. Download Civil Site Design License Manager. Then, run the file as administrator. After that, finish the setup of Civil Site Design License Manager. Step 2. Open the file and activate your license. Click on Install License Service. Then enter your license key. After that, click on Install License. It will show the number of floating licenses and expiration date. Then, click on Check License Status to check license activation. Step 3. Download the software and run it. Run the software as administrator. Choose your country or region, then finish the setup. Step 4. Create a port on both of your computers. To create a port, search for Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security and open it. Click on Inbound Rules. Then click on New Rule. Click on Port, then enter 19396 in specific local port. This port number is fixed for Civil Site Design software. Don't change it or your license won't work. Name your network CSD for easy access. Step 5. How to get the IP address of your first computer to activate your license on the second computer. Click on Windows, then Settings, click on Network and Internet, click on Properties to see your IP address. Make sure to save it as you'll need it to set up the software on your second computer. Step 6. Set up the software on your second computer. Download the software and run it as administrator. Choose your country or region, then finish the setup. Open your CAD software. The tabs of Civil Site Design will appear automatically. Make a save. Then click on Active Drawing to activate your license. Click on Use a Network License. Enter the IP address of your first computer. Don't forget to make sure that you've created the port on both of your computers before activating your license. Congratulations! Now your Civil Site Design software is ready for work. Thank you for choosing Present Trade. Discover our latest software offerings on our website and join us on social media for expert tips and tricks on Civil Site Design and more. Dive in now and enhance your skills with us.